Jimdo or Builder.ai both promise to make website building easy, but when it comes to your next project, which one should you really trust? On one side, Jimdo, known for fast, simple, do-it-yourself sites. On the other, Builder.ai, offering custom builds with advanced features. We're testing them head-to-head on usability, customization, pricing, support, and the features you actually need. Forget flashy marketing. We're digging into what actually works and what might hold you back. Each round earns points, and at the end, you'll see the straight-up winner for building your site. The final answer could surprise you. Let's get into it. So here's how we're going to compare these two. We'll look at pricing and value, ease of use, what kind of website or app features you get, design freedom, scalability, how much AI help you really get, and finally, support and community. Got your checklist ready? Let's dive in. First up, pricing and value. So with Jimdo, the prices are super clear. Like, you know exactly what you're paying up front, and there's even a free version if you just want a basic site. Pretty sweet, right? The only catch is that if you need anything fancy, you'll have to shell out for the higher plans. Now, Builder.ai takes a totally different route. Pricing is mostly custom, based on your project, which sounds smart, but also, it's not transparent, and honestly, it can get expensive fast, especially for ambitious custom apps. They do have a no-code cost estimator, which is kinda neat, but most info is hidden until you talk to sales. So yeah, clear win for Jimdo here. Like, you know exactly what your takes a totally different route. Moving on to ease of use. Jimdo is classic drag and drop goodness. No messing around with code, no tech headaches, just click, edit, done. Super intuitive. Although, let's be real, if you want to do some wild custom stuff, it's gonna feel limiting. Builder.ai? Well, the AI can get your project rolling with a little setup magic, and you can customize workflows, but things can get complicated if you go advanced. It's nowhere near as instant or DIY simple as Jimdo. So, another win for Jimdo when it comes to keeping your sanity intact while building. Alright, now let's talk website and app features. Jimdo gives you the basics. Online store, SEO tools, your site looks good on mobile. It ticks most boxes for simple sites. But if you're dreaming bigger, like super complex apps or deep integrations, it falls short. Now, Builder.ai? Oh, and here's something cool. It can build totally custom web or mobile apps, connect to almost anything with APIs, and pack in as much advanced logic as you need. But sometimes, it's honestly overkill for a basic website. For sure features, Builder.ai definitely takes the spotlight. Oh, quick fact break. Did you know Jimdo's helped more than 25 million people launch a website since 2007? That's bonkers to think about. Design freedom always a biggie. Jimdo hands you modern, stylish templates, and it'll even auto-design your layout for you, which saves a ton of time. The catch? You can't really break the mold. Customizing templates is pretty locked down. Builder.ai though? Full creative freedom. Pixel-perfect edits, custom branding, you name it. You do need to put in more effort or budget for design help. Still, if standing out is your goal, Builder.ai gives you way more space to play. Scalability. So, Jimdo is great for small businesses or personal sites. If you're not planning to blow up into the next big thing, it's all you need. But try to scale, add complex features, grow huge, and you'll bump into walls fast. And Builder.ai? This platform's all about scaling. From solo side projects up to full-blown enterprise platforms, SaaS, you name it. The trade-off? If all you want is a tiny site, Builder.ai will feel like, well, using a sledgehammer for a thumbtack. Alright, how about AI assistance? Jimdo's got some basic AI tools, suggestions for content, layout help, mostly during setup. Super handy if you need a jumpstart, but after that, you're kinda on your own. Builder.ai, on the other hand, actually leans into the AI thing. The AI handles building, maintaining, and even updating your entire project. It can suggest features, infrastructure, code, all that. Now, it does mean you have to set up your workflows more carefully, but if you want hands-off automation, Builder.ai is next level. Finally, support and community. Jimdo gives you email and chat support, and the documentation is actually decent. No phone support though, not ideal if you're stuck in a jam. Builder.ai has a bit more, you get project managers 24/7 support, and there's an active community, but it can sometimes take time to get really custom help. Honestly, both are solid here, so I'd call this one a tie. Let's zoom out and look at how these two stack up in all the categories with a radar chart, just to see the strengths and where each one falls a bit short. So here's my honest take. If you want a no-fuss, fast, affordable website for yourself or your small business, Jimdo is a no-brainer. But if you're building an ambitious app or want something super custom with AI managing the heavy lifting, Builder.ai is where you should go. Totally depends on your vision. Found this comparison helpful? There's plenty more where that came from. Stick around for more side-by-sides next time.